100% cotton. Imported. Zipper closure. Machine wash. 100% organic cotton. Certified by GOTS. GOTS is the leading worldwide standard for products made in sustainable manufacturing facilities without the use of synthetic pesticides, are non-toxic, PVC-free and made without heavy metal phthalate dyes. Style. Wearable blankets are not only the safest form of bedding for your baby to wear in their crib, they are super comfy too. Special features. Ensuring there is no risk of slipping off, the fitted neck and armholes allow baby's legs to kick freely. Fabric. Crafted from a unique 100% organic cotton knit, our signature material keeps baby at the perfect temperature no matter the season. Special features. The convenient two-way zipper along the side and across the bottom allows for quick and easy diaper changes without waking the baby, which makes bedtime a little easier for everyone. This organic cotton Matelasse wearable blanket from HonestBaby is an essential. HonestBaby provides high-quality, high-value products that are made with organic fabrics. Top reviews from the United States. High-quality, lightweight. I searched high and low for a sleep sack that was 100% cotton material in and out. This one fit the bill. It's held up in several washes and hasn't pilled. I love the zipper, opens from top or bottom. Also love that the zipper track at the bottom unzips from the side so it makes midnight diaper changes easier to get little one's legs out. I understand this one doesn't have a fill of any type, so it's not the absolute warmest sack. I would say this sack is great for spring, summer or if you keep your house at 72 to 73 degrees or higher. I keep my little one in warm footy pajamas underneath the sack, but there have been a few nights I felt it was still chilly. Where I live doesn't get freezing in winter, so I have no need to own fleece pajamas. I would say fleece pajamas work best under this sack for at least wintertime. I'm excited once it gets warmer out. This sack will be super breathable and just perfect. For sizing, I got the medium size when my baby turned 3.5 months. My baby is in the 90th percentile for height, weight and a medium fit perfectly but still gave room to kick around. Little one is now approaching 5 months old and has grown a bunch since purchasing, so I'm predicting I will need to buy the large size in a few months as there's less room for the legs already.